Hi! It's been a really long time, but I finally ordered something else from Kawaii store. It's the DANCEROID Revolution Aikawa ko Zue graduation items. So it got here really fast, like 5 days. And it's the same EMS shipping, so they're definitely improving their shipping. So here's the package. It's packed really nice, so I can feel the bubble wrap in it. Invoice. Oh, it's so cute! And the shirt. I only ordered one of the shirts and the 2 folders. I might get the other shirt and the towel someday, but not today. Oh, the folders are bigger than I thought they would be. Obviously, the closer they want. Brown cardboard. Oh, and the closer. Wait, I think it's going. Okay, the Kozue side of the folder and the Yuzuki side. And the Ikura side of this folder, and the Mamu side. Oh, they're really nice. They're like a thicker plastic than I thought they were going to be, and you can see through it. So yeah, those are really cute. I kind of wish I would have bought 2 of each, so I wouldn't feel bad using them for school. And this is the shirt from their concert at Nico Fair where Kozue graduated. I got the purple one because I got the black one-man live shirt and I wanted to have different colors, and Kozue was wearing the purple one, so yeah. It's a medium, like all the other shirts from Kawaii store. They don't offer them in different sizes anymore. Ah. And this is the front of the shirt. It's all nice and purple and colorful. And here's the back, which is really cute too. Here's the design. I'm not sure if you can see it. I hope you can see it. I can't edit this video, or I would try it on and tell you how it fits, just to have an idea of how it might fit. But it's a medium and it looks pretty big like the other shirts, so it's like more like a large in my opinion, and it should fit alright on most people unless you're like an XL or bigger. But like it seems a little bit smaller than the Aikawa ko Zue shirt in one of my other videos, so maybe their medium is getting smaller, I don't know. But yeah, this is a really short video. That's it. That's all I ordered. The shipping was great. I think the EMS went down actually. The price went down and the shipping is faster now, so that's great. And all the items were awesome, so I recommend them.